Good afternoon, boys and girls. It's a pleasure to be with you this afternoon. I thought that might be a really appropriate book, because we're in the middle of the winter, is a book entitled The Bear Snores On. And it should be a very nice read for us this afternoon. The Bear Snores On. Now, the bear is in his cave, as you can see. He's in his cave because he's sleeping. He's in a cave in the woods in his deep, dark lair. Through the long, cold winter sleeps a great brown bear. Cuddled in a heap. Look at him. He's all cuddled up. Cuddled in a heap with his eyes shut tight. He sleeps through the day, and he sleeps through the night. He never wakes up. The cold winds howl, and the night sounds growl, but the bear snores on. An itty-bitty mouse. Look at that little mouse. Look at that little mouse. An itty-bitty mouse. Pitter, patter, tip-toe, creep, crawls in the cave from the fluff, cold snow. Mouse squeaks, too damp, too dank, too dark, so he lights wee twigs with a small, hot spark. The coals pip, pop, and the wind doesn't stop, but the bear sleeps on. Sleeping pretty good. Two glowing eyes sneak a peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And a hare hops in. Here comes the rabbit. "Ho, Mouse," says Hare. "Long time no see." So they pop white corn and they drink black tea together. And they've got their little fire going, and you can see the little tea kettle at the top as they're doing it all. The mouse sips, wee slurps, the hare burps big burps. Can you imagine how terrible that hare burping like that? That's not right. But the bear snores on. A badger scuttles by. Here's the badger. Here he comes. He's working his way through. Sniffs and snuffs at the air. "I smell yummy yums. Perhaps we can share. I've brought honey nuts," Badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy them up, cozy down and dig in." So now they all get together. And they nibble and they munch with a chew, a chomp, and a crunch. So they make a lot of noise. But the bear sleeps on and snores on. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor. They come right up through the floor of the cave. Then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. The mole mutters, "What a night! What a storm," twitters wren, and everybody clutters in the great bear's den. So now they've all gathered while the bear snores on. They're all here, look, all across. They got the kettle going, they got the fire going, they're eating and having fun. They tweet and they twitter, they chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. The bear has no idea what's going on around him. Can you imagine? The hare stokes the fire. Mouse seasons the stew. Then a small pepper fleck makes the bear go achoo. He blows and he sneezes, and the whole crowd freezes. Now they realize, oh my God, he's going to wake up. Look out, here he comes. And the bear wakes up. Bear gnarls and he snarls. The bear roars and he rumbles. The bear jumps and he stomps. The bear growls and he grumbles. Now you can imagine what's happening to the rest of them. Look, they're all scattering all over the place. They don't want any part of this now. You've snuck in my lair, and you've had all the fun. But me, I was sleeping. I have had none. And the bear whimpers. Look, he's crying. He's whimpering. And he moans, and he wails, and he groans. And the bear blubbers on. Mouse squeaks, don't fret. Don't fuss. Look, see, we can pop more corn. We can brew more tea. The bear gulps, the bear gobbles. He sighs with delight. Look at the beautiful picture of his face smiling the way he's smiling. Unbelievable, and what have you. Then he spins tall tales through the blustery night. When the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, Bear can't sleep, but his friends snore on. And that's the story of the bear snoring on.